Hello students and welcome back to the first lesson of history, that is sources of history. Students, hope you have went through the link given to you, right? Now let's recall what you have studied. Students, you are studying this lesson right from standard 7th, right? Till now, we have studied the history of ancient, medieval, and modern India, right? Now, this year, we have to study the history of India in the post independence era. Let me first tell you that the sources of modern history are different from those of ancient and medieval history. We can study history with the help of various sources like written sources, material sources, oral sources, and sources in audio-visual medium. But in the modern period, we have to take note of various sources at the regional, state, national, as well as at international level. Now, written sources. Written sources are an important source of history that help us to construct past. Written sources are those which are in the form of written text. They are used by the historians to reconstruct ancient, medieval, and modern history.
Written sources includes newspapers, periodicals, reference books, correspondence, documents in the archives. Students, archives is the place where historical documents are preserved. Government gazettes. Gazettes is a public journal and an authorized legal document of the government. Postage stamps, diaries, and encyclopedias.
Now we will see how newspapers plays an important role to study history. So, through newspapers, we can get information about national and international affairs, politics, art, sports, literature, social and cultural affairs. So, because of newspaper only, we come to know about each and everything which is going on in the world, right? Next, most of the national newspapers have started their regional editions, and through this edition, we get the information about the various topics or the issues taken place in that particular region. Third, some newspapers produce special supplements towards the end of the year. Students, these supplements are produced to take an overview of the important events of the year, and because of that we understand the important events which has taken place in that particular year. Hope all of you have understood now how newspapers are an important source of history. Now let us know what is Press Trust of India, that is PTI. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and articles on important subjects. Students, PTI is the largest news agency in our country. Basically, PTI is a non-profit organization.
Well, it has also provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers.
Students, do you know this agency has largest network of journalists who report from every town, district and state of India. The news is then provided to newspapers, channels, radio stations, ministries, governments and foreign agencies on subscription basis. And it has now started its online service. In 1990s, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country. So, students, Press Trust of India is also an important source for writing the history of modern India. In the next video, we are going to see about postage stamps and material sources. Till then, read the first page of the lesson and write down the difficult words with their meanings in your notebook. Thank you.